Baby, it's the swing for me. It's the swing for me. I am shocked with the length. Who is she? Who is she? Listen. Address me properly. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So listen, my shirt isn't ironed. We see it, let's move past it, okay? So today my head is looking like this because I'm going to show you guys my self-trimming routine. So I'm getting ready to go on a 3-month protective style journey. I would love it if you guys would join me so we can, share little tips, tricks, the styles that we use, as well as things that we're going to do to help our hair grow. So now I just took out my faux locks. I'm going to post it in the cards somewhere. I still don't know which side. Somewhere I'm going to post it somewhere up here so you guys can check out that style. But since I just took that style out, I washed, deep conditioned my hair overnight, rinsed it out, everything, shampoo, condition, it's clean, and I put it in these bantu knots to stretch it out a bit. Now I prefer not to. Does it feel wet? You guys ever touch something and it feels kind of wet, but it's not really wet? Anyway, I'm going to flat iron my hair today because I want to give myself a nice, neat, clear trim. And because I'm going to flat iron, I don't want to blow dry my hair as well. So I'm going to start with this section here. So the things that you're going to need, of course, are some clips, a rat tail comb, a white comb or a brush, and of course your flat iron of choice. Today I'm using this flat iron. It's called Ramondo. It was sent to me. I don't know how it is, child. I'm gonna try. Like, this video isn't sponsored at all. They just sent it to me. I'm gonna try it out, see if I like it. Oh, it has like a lock thing at the back, so you can lock. What can you lock? Oh, it opens if you close the lock. Oh, so you can lock it and open it for like when you're actually like using it. When you're putting it away, you just put the lock on and it will stay closed. Cool. Alright, so it has settings from off to all the way up to 450. You can see here it has 250, 320, 355, 410, and 450. I don't know if I want to go all the way to 450, but I'm gonna try 355 and see how that goes. So you just turn it to the setting, but I don't know where is the point where we know that that's the setting. Oh, there's a little dot here. Sorry. So turn it. I'm going to turn it to 355. So right now the light is blinking. So I guess that means it's heating up. Okay, we'll wait for that to heat up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start to section my hair out. So before I go ahead and flat iron, I just wanted to show you guys how long it is. Like, baby, who is she? I cannot wait to do this protective style journey. Are you gonna be responsible? Let down your hair. I'm gonna divide this section in two. I go like, you guys don't really need for me to explain how you flat iron hair and stuff, right? Now this flat iron says it has some type of technology in the plating that prevents your hair from getting heat damage. I don't know if I believe it, but we gonna play it safe. Okay, stiff wear. Baby, it's the swing for me. It's the swing for me. Oh, I thought my ends were really bad, but they are not that bad. Alright guys, so I'm back. I'm finished flat ironing my hair. Now it's not bone straight, but it's good enough for a trim. Yep, I have makeup on my shirt. It's okay. We see it. Move past it. Alright, so guys, I am shocked with the length. Like, God, look at her hang time. Look at the hang time. What? Like, ma'am. Like, y'all don't know. Who is she? Who is she? Listen, address me properly. Alright, so now we're going to be getting into the trimming section of this video. Now you can use, listen, you should get hair scissors. My hair scissors have all gone missing from my house. Alright, so you're gonna need your rat tail comb too, and you're gonna section off your hair. Now I'm going to section my hair off with a U shape, basically like parting out from right above my temple on one side all the way to right above my temple on the other side. Now my ends are not as bad as I thought they would be, but it's the time for a trim and I just want to keep up with it. I don't want to like get slack. My parts are, they're okay. So what I like to do, part it off in this U shape, then I part sections down like this, and I comb it and hold it out like this. It doesn't matter with the little scragglers, just get it as far out as you can, and then I just snip that very end piece off, and we'll continue the same thing all the way around. And now the reason why I hold it up and out is so that when it falls, it's like a natural layered tapering, and not like if you hold it down, it's gonna be like, you know, looking crazy. But you want it to like fall like with a natural layer. Sorry, I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder on my phone, and I find myself talking to my phone. Alright. And snip. I guess people would call this dusting because I do not snip very much off. But I do this maybe every 3 months. I find that doing it like that, I kinda don't end up with a lot to trim, you know? Yeah, so I'm just inspecting for split ends, and I do see a few, and I don't like that. Trimming is so important to me. I'm so scissor happy, it's not even funny. Alright, so I'm done with that first back section. You see how quick and easy that is? Like, child. Part this big section in half. Alright, so what we do is basically the same thing. Like you hold it out and trim. This piece is pretty good. Oopsie. that feels so much better to brush through. Like no snagging at the ends. Like that's a telltale sign that you need a trim. If your hair is snagging, it feels a little bit rough at the end, then you know that time for those babies to go. All right, so that is it for this video, guys. Come on, like if you guys want to join the 3-month strong, like 3-month heavy protective style challenge with me, go ahead and comment down below. I'm in. Don't forget to turn your notifications on and hit the subscribe button. Also, at the end of the 3 months, we will be giving away a prize to the person who gained the most length. So all the information will be in the description bar down below, and in the next hair video where we will officially be announcing the start of this 3-month hair growth journey thing, I'll give you guys more details on what the prizes will be, like how we're gonna do this thing. Like let's get it together. Let's together, okay? I'm really excited for this because I'm really loving and appreciating how much my hair has grown. Like, yo, I'm not even 3 years natural. Am I 3 years natural? No, I'm about to be 3 years natural this, I think it's July. So I'm trying to see, like, can she get the waist yet? Can she do it? I think she can do it. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited too. So come on, baby, let's do this journey together. All right, so that's it until the next video. Bye bye. I can't wait.